Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Gather a CR 2032 3V coin cell, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth before starting. This prevents delays and stray screws. Work on a flat surface and protect the lens and buttons with the cloth to avoid scratches. Remove the emergency key by sliding the release and pulling the key out, because the key unlocks a seam and provides leverage. Keep the replacement battery in its package until the moment of swap to avoid fingerprints and static, and wash hands or wear gloves to keep contacts clean. Insert the small flathead into the seam where the emergency key was removed and twist gently to start separating the halves. Do not force or pry at sharp angles. Separate the halves slowly to avoid bending the plastic housing or dislodging the circuit board, and set the circuit board on the cloth if it becomes loose. Note the battery orientation and the positive side facing up or toward the marked plus, so you can install the new CR 2032 correctly and maintain polarity for proper function. Place the new CR 2032 3V battery with the positive side matching the original orientation, press it into the holder until it sits flush, and avoid touching the contact surfaces. Reassemble the fob by snapping the halves together until you hear a distinct click and ensure no gaps remain along the seam. Test lock, unlock, and remote start functions from several feet away to confirm range. Then replace the emergency key into its slot and program or resync if a function fails. Replacing the battery again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.